In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Deputy to Xero for payroll setup. To get started, open Deputy and sign in to your admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions because this connection affects payroll settings and integration access. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct Deputy environment, especially if you manage more than one business location or account. From there, head to the location area and open integrations. This is where Deputy lets you connect with external platforms and services, including accounting and payroll tools. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just carefully check that you're inside the correct location settings, since integrations are often managed at the location level. Next, choose Xero from the list of available integration options. Then click Connect. This will begin the process of linking Deputy with your Xero account. At this stage, Deputy will redirect you so you can authorize access. Follow the prompts on screen and approve the connection so the two systems can securely communicate with each other. This authorization step is important because it allows payroll-related data to move between Deputy and Xero in a controlled and accurate way. Once access has been authorized, the next part is mapping your payroll settings. You'll need to match your Deputy locations and pay rates to the corresponding payroll options in Xero. This step is essential because it tells the integration exactly how time and pay information should be interpreted when it reaches Xero. Take your time here and review each option carefully. For example, make sure the location in Deputy is linked to the correct payroll setup in Xero, and that each pay rate aligns with the right earnings category or payroll setting on the Xero side. Accuracy during mapping helps prevent payroll errors later, so it's worth double-checking everything before you finish. If your organization uses multiple pay rates, locations, or payroll categories, a careful review now can save a lot of correction work later. After your mapping is complete, your Deputy and Xero connection should be ready for payroll use. At that point, Deputy will be set up to work with Xero based on the options you've selected. If needed, you can always return to the integration settings later to review or update the mapping as your payroll structure changes. That's how to connect Deputy to Xero and map your payroll settings correctly.